Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Tech here, and I hope everybody's doing well, despite the market being in the doldrums. But, we keep trucking on, and there's still a lot of great news coming out, right? Despite the market, the technology is making big advancements all the time. And one of the big advancements made in the Steemit ecosystem, and one that's coming up, is these smart media tokens. So let me just run down what these smart media tokens are from the website, and then I'll put into my own words to kind of give you an idea of what can happen. So here's the problem. Publishers and creators struggle to make profit from their digital content. Why? It's hard for publishers to acquire a critical mass of paying subscribers. Ad revenue is taking a hit with the rise of ad blockers. Okay, you know how I promote Brave. So that's a big culprit in ad blocking. Tips and donations are not viable due to the expense of processing micropayments. Huge social networks like Facebook take profits from publishers but don't share revenue. So Facebook is profiting off of your data and your information, but they don't give you anything from it. So, people who are on Facebook, look, I'm not here to badmouth Facebook. All the information is out there. It's been out there. And make an educated decision. And here's the solution, which the SMT provides. To enable publishers to create tokens that help monetize content and grow communities. How? Tokens enable publishers to create mutually beneficial community-based economic incentives to drive platform growth. Smart tokens with near instant settlement and zero transaction fees opens up a new non-advertising business models. Publishers can also use tokens to fundraise via an ICO. Now, what are smart media tokens? Native digital asset on the Steem blockchain that can quickly be launched by anyone to help monetize online content and create incentives to encourage desired user behavior. They're like Ethereum's ERC20 tokens, but with certain built-in proof-of-brain properties and a token distribution reward system designed specifically for digital content businesses. And then here's some example, or after this there's an example, but here's an SMT setup page, what you want to call your token, how many you want distributed, the rewards curve, so on and so forth. And then here are use cases, right? So content publishers raise capital by selling tokens, catalyze autonomous growth. Now the subscribers can be rewarded with cryptocurrency while commenting. So you can reward commenters with tokens, right? Forums, okay. Comments widget. Now this was going to be very, very popular, I think. This one specifically. Comments widget. Publishers can quickly launch an SMT on their website by offering a Steam-based comments widget that integrates into existing blogs built on platforms such as WordPress and Blogger. The publisher could take a percentage of the tokens and distribute the rest to commenters on the site. This also creates a business opportunity for developers who want to build a next generation crypto-enabled Discus-like companies. And then sub-community moderators and managers. You want to pay moderators to do their job, and you want to pay managers to do their job. So you can do that with the SMT token that you create for yourself. And then there is the There's the white paper. Okay, and it's a very long white paper. It's about 62 pages. And it goes through all the technical details. This is all stuff I don't understand. Alright, so I'm not a coder, so this is beyond my comprehension. But for those who are interested in that, you can take a look at it as well. But I think this is going to be outstanding. You know, especially if you have a number of different media outlets. You have a website, you have multiple channels, you have forums, you have Steemit, you have DTube, you have everything, you know, with your brand attached to it. And this is a way where you can actually foster your own community and ecosystem. You know, and if you have like 100,000 followers through different social media networks, or a couple 100,000, that is enough for a viable community with your own token. So this is really genius, and Ned is a genius, in my opinion, for putting this together. And I believe the testnet is supposed to launch in January of 2019, so it's a ways away. It's a couple months off, but it'll be here before you know it. And it's going to be, I think it's going to be a smash hit. I can't wait till it comes out, because I'm going to create, you know, I'm going to create my own token, of course. Because I have people on YouTube, I have people on Steemit, here, there. And, you know, I want to reward people for their support. I mean, that's what it's all about. You want to reward people for their support. Alright guys, so that's all for right now. Have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Peace.